Hi guys, it's Miss Denise and I have a Boxy charm unboxing for you guys. This is for the month of April. Sorry, I've been in quarantine so long that I don't even know what month it is, what day, what year. I have no idea what's going on anymore. Yes, April 2020. And then we are also going to be doing a try-on today. All right. So, what is in the box? This is Boxy Premium, by the way. Okay, let's see. I kind of like took a little peek right now, but I didn't really look. Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paint. Magnetic. What? I don't know what that means. Like, how is it magnetic? Like, what's it supposed to do? Anyway, that looks really cute. Looks like a really cute color. All right, so that magnetic lipstick cost $28. It's by Nude Sticks. It doesn't tell me like why it's called magnetic, but whatever. $28. All right, Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing, blah, blah. All right, Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. And let's just open it. This retails for $38. Oh, it's a warming mask, so it probably feels really warm when you put it on. Cute. Leaves skin soft, supple, and plump with hydration. Oh, this is magnetic. See, this is magnetic. I don't know. Oops. Well, Denise, calm down. Sorry, just pause and make sure you don't wake my daughter up. This is magnetic. Okay, so that's cute. So you won't lose that little handle, just put it on top. It sticks on there. Doesn't smell like anything great. I do want to feel the consistency of it though. Oh, it's very like hard to the touch. Not like hard, but like see, this is smart having a little magnetic top so you don't lose the tool. And yeah, it is definitely a warming mask. I cannot wait to try this. It feels warm when you put it on. Feels great. All right, what is this? It's by IGK. Probably smells amazing because everything IGK smells bomb. Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray, Keratin-like treatment in a can, 24-hour frizz control. This retails for $32. Heat Protective Blowout Spray mimics the smooth, frizz-free results of keratin, blah, blah, blah. So kind of like hairspray / keratin treatment. So pretty much for when you're straightening your hair. Okay, next we have Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Lengthening Mascara. Let's look at the wand. Volume and length. Two of my favorite things. I wonder how well it works. So that retails for $26. It says one swipe is all you need for sky-high lashes with this volumizing and lengthening mascara. We will see if that's true. Coconut face cream. to hydrate and nourish. So I think it's just like coconut oil, cream by Kopari. I don't even want to bother with this right now. Okay, so it's supposed to help fight visible wrinkles and delivers essential hydration. That retails for, oops, this one, yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Where is it? $38. Okay, and then lastly we have, okay, what's up with this like box? I received like 3 skin products. I got mascara, a lipstick, and that's it. Like as far as makeup goes. I am not very happy. Levito Age Away Replenishing Cream has grapefruit seed, Melissa, what the hell is Melissa? And avocado. Who the hell is Melissa and why is she in this cream? That retails for, that retails for $69. Made with 11 innovative organic plant actives, this anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while it deeply nourishes mature skin. All right, cool. So I feel like I can really benefit from that one. But the other stuff, the coconut oil, I mean, it's cool. I like skincare products, but I feel like that's just like way too many in one box. 3 skincare products. Like, come on. I got Boxy Charm when I originally signed up with it was because I get makeup and I got like 2 makeup products in this. Like, give me some like eyeshadows, give me some baking powder. I don't know, give me something, you know? 3 things. I'm probably not really gonna use this keratin stuff. But whatever. So that is the Boxy Charm box for the month of blah blah April, sorry. Right? Yeah, April. And I'm really not that happy with it, to be honest with you. There's 6 products in here. And I'd give it like a 3 out of 6. Maybe even a, no, let's see, what? Okay, hold on, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I give it a 3 out of 6, possibly a 4 out of 6 if this mascara actually works like it says it will. It says 1 swipe is all you need. I don't believe it because I love my lashes to be lengthened and voluminous, and I usually don't achieve that in just 1 swipe. So we are for sure going to put this to the test. Probably not today because I already have mascara on, and I honestly thought I was probably gonna get like an eyeshadow palette, something in this box that I can actually try on. It's mostly face products, so there will be no try on. I guess I can try on the lipstick, but I don't even want to do that because I got this bomb ass lipstick that I kind of mixed. I used Kylie Rosy lip liner, and then I used the, what is it, Glass Bomb or something like that by Rihanna, or I mean Fenty. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Bye.